Good morning, actually it's the afternoon now, and on the mountain bike yet again. So yeah, we're just going to go and do a couple of trails with my friend Darren. And yeah, I've already got 11% on this camera battery. Oh my god, I can't even speak. I'm just too excited to go do the trail. So yeah, I guess I'll take you on the GoPro and share the ride. Are you done faffing or what?
Sorting your stuff out.
Oh, I'm sorted. He got really debrief. He's like, oh, these dates aren't seedless.
Standards, girl, standards.
Right, I'm ready to go. Got my bike all clean. Woo!
Do you know where we're going?
No, not really. Do you?
I tried going up the middle, I didn't make it.
I'll try. Oh, I get to there, I'll just stop pedalling.
Yeah, just keep pedalling. Now push. You're stopping pedalling.
Oh, I don't like it. Oh.
We'll come back to it.
No, I'm not coming back to it. You carry on.
No.
I have to conquer stuff as I do it, as I see it. Oh. Stop filming.
Go on, Chopper, you can do this. That's it, keep going, keep going. Oh.
Oh my god! Yes! Yes, you little Right, I'm going to do it again.
That's it, push, that's it. Hey.
Why are you holding onto a tree like that?
It's just comfy. Now look forward.
What the fuck? Yeah, I ain't got sprint power. I'm pushing. Look at it! I hate tree roots. There's the devil. That says the bike trail with a smiley face, so I'm guessing that means it's alright. It's forest road. Yeah, but this is boring, isn't it? This. I don't want to ride on this.
But that's the way, isn't it?
Alright, let's go. Was that an elephant or brakes squeaking?
An elephant.
What are you doing? You're looking at the sun.
The sun is. The sun's there, so that means it's south. So we parked at this. I'm going to look like a right.
Yes, you are.
Straight down.
Oh my. Okay, this is not like beginner territory, is it? I'm knackered. I'm just bloody hungry.
So weird. I'm not a monkey.
No, I'm not a monkey. Right, so we've just got back and I was feeling a little bit like dejected, and I'm so hungry. I need to go and eat something because I've learnt my lesson today. I didn't bring food, didn't bring water. Like, I just went with a GoPro strapped to my chest. So I was thinking, oh, it's not going to be that far. We've been out longer than I thought. And then now I'm really hungry and I got really grumpy on the way back. So I was like, I'm just so really hungry. I think I'm like bonking. They were just really like, they were said that they were red trail difficult trails. And I guess for a noob, that's probably a bit more. So yeah, but I've learned, I've practiced. And I mean, what can I take from it? That I need to take food. That's what I've learned today. Also, everyone asks what this is. It's Moby. It's from Chain Reaction. I think it's Chain Reactions that they own it basically. I think they did send it me, but it's absolutely awesome. Get that eco wash. Oh, I can't lift it. I'm too weak. I'm bonked.
You're proper bonked, aren't you?
Yeah, I've proper bonked. Yeah. Hey? Oh, look at that.
The trails were a bit more gnarly than what I thought they were going to be.
Look at this he's brought.
Nice, I tell you.
He's done this before.
Stop being too hard on yourself.
Thanks. You're lovely. Pops.
Thanks, daughter. You're the best daughter I've got.
So Toonie's having a fancy pasta and I'm having a overnight oats.
It's like a bush tucker trial.
Think of that.
It needs to be warm.
Alright, put it on your bloody grill then. Like your little kettle. You are such a dad. You are such a dad.
Me and your mum have brought you up well.
It's even on. Oh, it's on bloody 4. Look at your face. You look so angry. What's up with you?